Okay, some breaking news coming in. The Delhi government has ordered the reopening of schools for class 10 and 12. Schools will open from the 18th of January. The decision was taken in view of preparations for the board examinations. Students can be called to school only after the consent of parents, and all schools must follow standard operating procedures. So from January 18th, in view of the upcoming board exams that happen in May and June, the Delhi government has decided to open schools from the 18th of January. Anisha Mathur live with us on this breaking story. Anisha, take us through the thought process behind this. There are likely to still be a lot of concerns over the opening of schools. Is it only the board examinations that are a compelling factor for the schools being opened this way?
Well, yes, Shiv. Remember, the Delhi government has only given permission right now for schools to open for class 10th and 12th students. Board exams are coming up in May. Pre-boards and preparations have already started. A lot of schools have already started taking pre-board exams. And several private schools had raised the concerns that they will not be able to prepare the students well enough without holding proper classes to not only complete the syllabus but also for board exam preparation. So right now the court has only, the government has only allowed schools to open for classes for class 10th and 12th students, and more importantly, it will only be by consent of the parents. If the parents of all students will be allowed to choose whether or not they want to send their children to the school for this exam preparation and classes, etc. But it is only, as you just pointed out, it is only being done in the light of board exams coming up fast and the pre-board exams also coming up. The practical exams also for the boards are likely to start by the end of March. Excuse me.
Okay.
So from Monday, several schools may reopen only for class 10th and 12th students.
Okay, thanks. Only class 10 and 12 in Delhi schools, the government's given the go-ahead. Thanks very much, Anisha, for getting us those details. Very important for students and parents as well as teachers.